Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have your iPhone XS or XS Max, and you want to know how to get the battery percentage on here, or basically to find how much percentage juice you have left. The thing is, when the iPhone X came out, they basically took away that battery option where you can toggle where it says show battery percentage. So basically the only way that you're going to be able to see the battery percentage is basically three ways. You can ask Siri, or you can go ahead basically and plug it into a charger and it'll show your battery percentage, or you can put it onto a wireless charger as well. 99.9% of you guys will always do it this way, okay? The easiest way is this. Top right-hand corner, you have to slide down every single time. So yeah, I know. I wish iPhone would just come back and with the option to leave the battery percentage always on top so we know. And while they're at it, they should also come back with the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So anyways, remember, top right-hand corner, okay? You don't want to go down the middle. You don't want to do that. You want to go on the right side, just like that. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.